show you how you can add your voiceover to your video on Canva. Okay, so this will be quick tutorial for you guys, step by step. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to go to your Canva homepage like this, okay, and you should see over here video. Okay, so just click on video and you will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do first is you need to upload your video. Okay, so click over here on upload and click over here on upload file like this and upload your video to Canva that you want to add voiceover to. Okay, so you should find your video over here on videos. Okay, so I already have those videos, as you can see. So for example, I'm gonna take this one, click on your video, okay, and your video will be over here. Click on this three point and click on set video as background. So now how we can add voiceover to this video. Okay, so what you will do, you will click over here again on upload file and you need to upload your voiceover that you want to add to this video. So for example, this is my voiceover. I will click over here on open and you need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. Okay, and your voiceover will be over here, as you can see, on audio. So just click on your voiceover and your voiceover will be added to your video, as you can see over here. Okay, so that's how you can add a voiceover to your video on Canva. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.